You may be wondering why so many of MOJO's recommended soccer activities are tag games. Well, guess what? There's actually a pretty good reason for that.
When you play soccer, it's a series of little mini sprints. It's a series of changing directions. It's not just running up and down the field, and that's what all these little tag games kind of help bring out.
Not to mention, many young players are still developing their functional movement skills.
From a younger player's standpoint, you're working on their motor skills, changing direction, their agility, just running. Some of them are going to be top heavy, so they don't know how to run yet. And the other thing too, a lot of them come flying out of their minivans, right, at practice. And if you just start with a simple tag game, it kind of helps burn off some of that energy, and it's way more effective than having the kids run laps. Why not just put them in a little tag game and they're going to get the exercise that you really need them to get.
And by the way, tag isn't just for little kids.
But you can do it with older players too, even the 13 and 14-year-olds, because you're warming up their quads and their hamstrings. It's just good overall for their physical development, their motor development. They're using their brains in different ways and changing direction. And it's fun. That's the other thing too, it's just a lot of fun.